Hi, my name's Steve, and my channel is It's a Steve Thing. Normally people see me working on Volkswagen Vanagons, but I like all oddball cars. One of which is my recently acquired in the last few months, a 1988 Pontiac Sunbird GT Convertible Turbo. What a mouthful. Anyway, one of the issues with the Sunbird convertible specifically is that you cannot replace the power window switch plate on the driver's door, which looks something like this. But as it's a GM, and I've been down this road with NLA parts, which is no longer available parts, is that if it's a mass-produced company, chances are they just change the appearance of parts and they're all interchangeable. So what I did is I bought a switch panel plate. It looks like this. It's all chrome and shiny, from a Cadillac or Buick. It's the same switches. I took the plate off, and as you can see here, you can actually take the little switches off as well. And when you take that faceplate off the Sunbird convertible, that's the switches. They're the exact same. In fact, I will show you the back side just to prove it. They're the same switches. They got the same high point one. They're all in the same location. The switches themselves are identical, apart from one being chrome and one being black. I'm going to change the switches over, and I'm going to have a brand new driver's side control for the power windows. Just to rule that out, I'll probably add relays on, because I don't know why GM didn't do that in the 80s with all their weird mumbo jumbo that they do electronically. As you can see, you can take the little chrome bits off. Of course, having the chrome is kind of nice. I'm not really a chrome fan. Chrome don't get you home. Ooh, it's a little tougher to get them off of the original switches, as I don't care if I break the original panel. It's mainly just the switches themselves I want. If you wanted to, you could just take the new switches with the chrome and put it right in the Sunbird plate panel holder. I want the black switches. I want it all to look original. It's a low mileage car. It's technically a survivor. It's only got 32,805 miles. This is the original switch panel. I took the little black switches off, and this is the replacement one. Again, the back sides are identical. The front sides, they all mount up the same. They have the same little locator tabs and everything. Granted, these are clear because it's aftermarket. The originals were sort of pink looking. I mean, I can actually feel the switch on the original one. Oh yeah, the new one's way better. Something to be said, if you've got original switches and you don't want to go through this hassle, or you want to put the new ones in, I still recommend adding relays to power windows. I don't know why companies did just switches, then the switches fail. It's much better to have relays. They last a lot longer, and you get more power going through the switches. So I'm going to put the black on, like that. They just pop right in place. Now, oh, I probably should have figured out which way. Oh, it doesn't matter. Cool. I'm such a dork. So then you just slide that sucker right into the original plate, and you have brand new switches for your convertible Sunbird. Of course, if the Cavalier has the exact same switches for the convertible for the same time period or same generation, this will work as well. If you want to learn which panel I bought, I will place links to they are my affiliate links in the description down below. And what an affiliate link is, it means I get a kickback. You don't pay anything extra. That's that. Oh, and as far as the old switches are concerned, you just throw them to the side because you don't need them anymore. Cheers.